In this video, I'll be showing how to replace front sway bar end links on a Chevrolet Equinox. They are located behind the front wheels. Let's get started. Let's go and remove our left front wheel. There's 5 19mm lug nuts. Now that my wheel is removed and my vehicle is lifted and supported, I'm going to go ahead and locate the top mounting point for the sway bar end link. It is located on the strut. We're going to remove it using an 18mm. If you find the whole stud end that's spinning together, simply grab an 18mm wrench and a 9mm socket to hold the stud. So we're going to place the wrench over first. Now our socket, and now we're going to break it loose. As you can see now, the nut is only spinning. Now I'm going to remove my socket and ratchet. That should spin freely. I'll set it aside. I'm going to repeat the same process using 18mm wrench and my 9mm socket. And quick inspection and set it aside. I'm now going to remove my sway bar end link. I'm going to pull out from the top and from the bottom. And there it is. And now to install our sway bar end link. We'll insert the bottom first. If they do not line up, you could reorientate the ball joint on the sway bar link. Just push it through. Now I'm going to hand thread on my bolts. And for the bottom one as well. I'm going to snug these down with an 18mm. As you can see, the nut is spinning with the stud, so I'm going to use an 18mm wrench along the back side of the stud to secure it while I tighten. I'm going to do the same for the bottom. Put my 18mm wrench along the back. And another 18mm to tighten. Just going to snug it up for now. And remove my wrenches. The torque spec for these is 74 foot-pounds. I'm going to take my torque wrench and tighten it up. I'll do the same for the bottom. Now let's reinstall our left front wheel. Just snug these up by hand. I'm going to tighten these in a crisscross pattern. So just snug them down for now. Now let's go ahead and torque these to 100 foot-pounds in a crisscross pattern. And that completes our install. Once you're finished, go ahead and take the vehicle for a road test. Ensure you don't hear any abnormal noises over bumps. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.